This is Mr. Aliuddin. I am your new English teacher, and I have newly joined BSS Science Fund Mujona just today only. And my plan is to teach you class 12th English from the starting to till the end. What is the problem is there if we talk about a personal thing in Bihar, that the students of Bihar are very weak in English. This is just because of some politicians which had made a rule in the very beginning that for Bihar English is not we can say that English is not sweet for Bihari students because they are very poor. They are belonging to a poor family. That's why they made a rule, and just because of that rule, today the situation of English in Biharis are not good. So that's a very sad thing we can say. But you don't worry. I'm going to teach you English from the starting to till the end of class 12th. I'll provide you whole content and I will explain you each topic, each chapter line by line. You don't worry about that. And second thing is that we are very new to this channel, and I will request all of you to give full support to us. And I promise you all that there will be no problem in English. English is not your tension from today, it is our tension, and I will solve you all the things whatever arising in your mind which is making you very weak. I will solve that problem first. And on the other hand, we can see that English is a very important language, and we have to give importance. One of my uncle, his name is Arjun Yadav, belonging from Mujauna. One day he's calling me and saying, Ali, you start a coaching in Bihar and you just teach specially English. I asked him, why uncle? Then he shared me a story. He said me, listen Ali, we have found many Biharis are doing work, the third class level work in the parts of India. If we say in the parts of Bihar, in the parts of Assam, Meghalaya, and various other parts of India, and not only that, they are well qualified. They are well qualified. They are qualified with BA degrees. They are qualified with PhD degrees. But after doing such kind of degree also, they are not doing their own classwork. One classwork means if I am a BA holder, if I am a bachelor, if I am a doctorate, if I am a philosophy and doctor, so I am eligible to work such kind of work, such kind of things. What I prefer, what I really eligible for the work is that I should get such level of work, but I'm not getting. He's sharing me such kind of story of a person who is I think a colleague or something like that. He is also a driver. He is a truck driver. I'm sorry to say that I cannot explain you much about anyone's life in this YouTube channel because it is I don't like such kind of things. But you know what? It's just because of that he does not know English. That's why. Such kind of person who is getting a BA degree and PhD degree, and after that degree also they are not working a good thing. They are not working in a good institute. They are doing the labor work. They are loading and unloading the we can say that greenhouse things. They are doing as a labor. They are doing as a coolie work after getting BA BSc, just because that they are not knowing English language. It is very important. If we learn English, then we can work to the whole world. But if you do not learn English, if we only get the degree of BA PhD, but there is a major chance that we will work only in our motherland, only in Bihar. But if we know English, then we can work in different kind of institutes. So such is the importance of English language. I'm explaining it to you whether you are getting my point or not, but this is the importance of English language and you have to accept it. So you have to, if you want to work, if you want to live a good life after getting education, why we are educating, why we are studying, why we are wasting our parents' money? After getting such kind of education, we are not able to work in good institutes. We are just treated as labor. What you have studied? so many years. Yeah, but you have studied nothing. It means that. So that is the importance of English language. So we have to learn it. We cannot ignore it. Whether it is easy or tough, we have to learn. So for that only, I come here and I joined BSS Science Point Mojona, which is directed by, we can say that our Rakesh sir. He is a very good fellow, one of my colleague also, and we can say that we are becoming now very friendly to each other. And he asked me, sir, if you could give English class to my channel BSS Science Point. I said yes, okay sir, I will give you, because the people in Bihar are very much getting away from English, and my specialty is that I will make you aware about this language. It is a very important language. I have told you so many times in this video that it is a very important language. We cannot ignore it. We have to learn it. And if we learn, we can explore the world with this language, because we all know that this is an international language. This is an international language, English. So this is the importance of English language, and if you know English, you will not be tolerated in any section of the world and our country. People from Bihar are not well treated. They are using the people of other parts of India are using Bihari and abusing them because they are Bihari. Bihari is an abusing language nowadays. It's becoming an abusing language. On the other side, we can also know that the level of IAS that are produced in Bihar is the second highest level in the world, as compared to not comparing. I am just saying that it is the second rank. Bihar is the second rank in producing IAS, but we can, on the other hand, we can see that the people of Bihar are very poor. They are not interested in education, because they are not knowing the importance of education. And one of the most important education nowadays becoming is that learning in a very good literature, that is English literature. And 1 minute, I am just finishing it.